Hi! In front of me is Samsung A54 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this Samsung. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Apps section. Now tap on Choose Default Apps at the top and click on one of those sections. I want to change my browser app, so I have to click on it. Tap on the one that I wish to apply, in this case Opera Mini, and select the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!